Hey everybody, welcome to Profit Copilot. My name is Mick Meaney, and this is all about helping you to get more independence and freedom through online entrepreneurship. So if you're not subscribed at the moment, click the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell if you're watching on YouTube, and then you will get the next video in this series tomorrow. So I have been thinking long and hard about how I can deliver the best value to you through these videos. So what I have decided to do is I'm going to create a brand new website. I'm going to monetize it and make it a success, and I'm going to document the process. I'm going to show you how you can do it too. I'm going to do it step by step so you can follow along. You can point and click your mouse where I point and click mine, and then every day we will slowly build a successful business together, because you're going to see me do it from scratch, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. So you have probably not seen anything like this before, because I have condensed and boiled down all the stuff that you need to know, and I have taken out all the stuff you don't need to know. So I'm going to run you through the entire process in this video to see if this is the right thing for you, because listen, everyone out there is promising you overnight millions and saying that you're going to make tens of thousands in your first couple of months. It's not true, okay? There are people out there who prey on people's lack of knowledge in this thing, and I really want to stand apart from those guys and separate myself. And I figured that if I show you how to build a business that you're passionate about based on interests that you already have, I figure that is such a positive contribution to the world and to my market. Here is everything that's involved, okay? And I know it looks like an awful lot of stuff, but when we break it down step by step, it's actually a fairly simple process. So the first thing that we need to do is decide what we're going to sell, okay? And I know that it might seem like you're jumping in at the deep end, but we're not actually going to make anything yet. We're just going to have a rough idea of what we want to make. So this comes down to your passions, okay? So I know that there's a lot of talk about finding the right niche and all that stuff, but here's what you do. If you are in the right niche, just go to Amazon. Whatever topic you're thinking about starting in, just go to Amazon. See if there's books and magazines about that topic. If there's already information products out there, then fantastic. You're good to go. Okay, this is not complicated stuff. And whatever you're passionate about, that is your niche. And the best way of really finding out if you're stuck, you're not sure what your niche is, what is it that you spend your time thinking about when you're with friends and family? What do you like to steer the conversation towards? What topic is it that you really feel that the world would be a better place if more people did X, Y, or Z? That is the thing that you should build a website about. And chances are, if you're watching this, you already have a website, a blog set up about that, or you're creating content in that niche anyway. So this series is just for people who have already got that sorted out. They already know what they want to contribute to the world. So this isn't about niche research, any of that stuff. I have other videos about that. If you need to go to the YouTube channel or profitcopilot.com, have a look through. You'll get those. The first thing that we need to do is outline, have a rough idea of what you're going to sell. It's going to be a digital information product. So it could be a PDF or a video series or an audio series. Doesn't matter right now. All you need to do is have a rough idea of the content of that. And I'll get into this in the next video. I'll run you through how to do that. Then once we have an idea of what we're going to sell, we're going to create a blog post based on that content. Then we're going to create a lead magnet, something that will entice people to join your email list. We're going to create a squeeze page for that. Then we're going to build the email list. And this is the start of a sales funnel. And I'll show you how to build sales funnels and marketing funnels in this series. Then once we are building an email list, we need to test affiliate offers. And this is to give us an idea of what is working in the niche, what kind of things people are responding positively to. And that will give us an idea of how to position and market the product that we intend to create. Then we need to create the product, and I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly, really simply. It's not going to take you weeks to do. Okay, we're going to make it maximum in a few days, and then we're going to create the sales page. There's so much information I've got for you about writing sales copy and persuasion techniques, all that stuff. I'm so passionate about that area. And then we're going to recruit affiliates to promote the product for us. They're going to become like a virtual sales army who will go out and bring money into our business. And then we're going to look at advertising for long-term growth. So there's a lot of ground to cover. I know that by the end of the series, you will have a awesome, profitable business. And you know what? It's not going to cost you anything from me. I'm going to give you the information for free. Okay, and that is because I really want to deliver the maximum value that I can to you. So if this is the kind of thing that you'd like to see more of, hit the like button, because that tells me to create more content like this. Then subscribe to the channel, hit the little notification bell, and you'll get another video from me tomorrow, and that will help you take the next step in this process towards generating more freedom and security and independence and all that good stuff for you and your family. So thank you for watching, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow, and we're going to take the next step in this process.